bunnies, welcome to another video. Are my hands actually? A little bit. Give me a second. Oh, much better. Commence. Hey! I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Just wanted to talk to you about your car's extended warranty. Hey bunnies, welcome to another video. For today's video, we're going to be answering the question, is chivalry dead? The long and short of it, in short, is chivalry dead? No, of course not. There are very much sweet gentlemen out there. The long of it, it's dying in most cases. It's kind of dead in some. I say this because of what has no or needs to be the antiquated version or definition of feminism. Yes, girls can do whatever boys do. Yes, we have the right to do and get paid as equally, and I stand for all of that. At the same time, I also believe in gender roles. I believe in, if we are on a date, my door should be opened for me. I believe my chair should be pulled out for me. I believe that you should always, the masculine of the two, should always pay on dates. If it's a case where we're in 2022 now, if I invite you, me the feminine, invite you the masculine, out on a date, I'm expecting myself to pay. But if you reach for the check and want to do that, I appreciate that. That's the only time that I would see myself paying for a date. I think at the end of the day, it comes down to how you present yourself, how you carry yourself, and how you allow people to treat you. No man in my life, whether it's my husband or even my kids, my uncles, friends, whatever the case is, if we are out, I'm expecting my door to be opened for me. Of course, there are cases where I'm opening my own door, but for the majority of the time, I'm expecting whoever I'm with to be chivalrous and to open my door, whether it's a car door or the door to a store or a restaurant or whatever the case is. I'm not expecting to touch anything because I'm to be thought of as a princess, right? You have your queen moments, yes, but for the majority of the time, I'm a soft, delicate flower who needs to be treated as if you look at me the wrong way, I might fall apart into pieces. I feel like chivalry is dying in the sense, again, with the whole feminism movement, in also the sense that a lot of us women are not tapping into our feminine side. I do have a few very feminine friends. I also have a few very masculine friends. I have friends who claim that they're tomboys but are still feminine in a sense, like they dress up and wear makeup and super girly girl but have an alpha persona, right? And that's great. That's a beautiful thing to withhold within yourself. But when it comes to expecting your man or your masculine partner to want to lead, or you expect him to, it's going to be harder for him to do that because he sees you as someone who is in control of everything, who can handle herself, right? I do also want to point out that for the masculine how do I want to say this? In order for a woman to be completely feminine with you, for her femininity to flourish, she has to be in a safe space. She has to be comfortable with you. She has to feel safe with you. She does not feel safe, and especially for me, if I don't feel safe with you, I am going to start exuding masculine tendencies. My voice is going to lower. It's going to get louder. I am going to not be the sweetest person in the room. You can still, be feminine and get your points across sternly if someone is being rude to you, but in a case where you are in an intimate situation, whether it's a friend, family, spouse, whatever the case is, you want to try to maintain a certain caliber when you're out, a certain level of femininity. Chivalry is to me a more masculine trait. Chivalry is something that a true gentleman bestows. Any man who refuses to take care of their woman in the ways I just described, whether it's opening doors and paying for checks and making sure that she's treated like a princess when she's out, you're just doing it wrong. There's a time and a place for everything. There's a time to be the king and be pampered and treated and all of that stuff. But in the case of chivalry, you're going to have to treat your woman like a princess. Yeah. And that's my 2 cents on the topic. Is chivalry dead? I definitely don't think chivalry is dead. I think chivalry is still live and out there, but it's being drowned out. It's being clouded. It's being pushed to the side by women who refuse to live in their or exude their feminine energy. Okay. Fix my hair. If you have any thoughts yourself on the matter, leave it in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give this a thumbs up so that other people can see it. Share it with your friends. Make sure you subscribe. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face.